How to unblock someone on TikTok. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to unblock someone on TikTok, whether you blocked them by accident or just changed your mind. Follow along step by step and you'll have them unblocked in seconds. Alright, let's get started. Now, there are two easy ways to unblock someone. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and tap on your profile icon at the bottom. Go to your profile. Now tap the menu icon, the three lines in the top right corner, and then select Settings and Privacy. Under the Account section, tap Privacy. Scroll down and tap Blocked Accounts. Here you'll see everyone you've blocked. Find the person you want to unblock, tap Unblock, and you're done. You can now see their content again. If you can't find them in the list, go back to the home screen. Tap the search icon at the top and type their username or name. Select the Users tab to filter results. Open their profile, then tap Unblock right on their page. And that's it. And that's it. Two simple ways to unblock anyone on TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick TikTok tips and tricks.